What's up, guys? Welcome to another property tour video with ChriSamz. Thank you guys so much. Before we even go into the video, I just want to tell you guys thanks on behalf of ChriSamz team for the support that you guys have been showing us. And as you can see from the title, we're heading to Twickenham Glades. It's a development by NHT. I will just be providing you guys with an update in terms of how far they are with the building process, as we'll be giving you an overhead view of this property. So just journey with us, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you like these videos and you'd like to see more, please hit that subscription button. Please to like this video, please to leave us a comment, and we will continue to keep you guys posted on new properties in and around Jamaica. So whether you're here in Jamaica or you're overseas, you can continue to watch our videos and we'll update you, and we'll leave some information in the comment section where you could call for further details. So thank you guys so much for supporting ChriSamz property tour videos. You could also check out our vlogs and our other videos. We really enjoy the support from you guys. So let's get right into this video and we will catch you on the other side. Alright guys, so we're here at Twickenham Glades, development by the National Housing Trust. Alright guys, so we're just going to head inside of one of these units. As you can see, we have two units joined together by a living room wall right down the middle. But we'll just head into one of these units and to show you exactly what's happening on the inside, just to give you a better view of the size and the layout of these units. So we'll enter on the front patio and we'll walk right into the living room, where you'll see it's an open concept space. We'll just take a walk through, then we'll come right back to the living. So you have your kitchen, your dining, and your living room space. Alright guys, so you have to be very careful with the furnitures that you put into this space, as it can really determine the amount of space that you have inside these units. So as you can see that on the walls on both sides you have identical outlets. So you can decide which wall you would like to hang your TV or put your entertainment system on, and then the next side you'll have for your couch, right? And then you have this little section here where you could set up very nicely for your dining area. So that's just between the living space and the kitchen And over into this kitchen, as you can see, the cupboards are looking lovely. You have your space right here for your refrigerator, and even above that you get some storage space in the form of a cupboard. So you have your uppers on both sides, and you have your lowers all the way around. Right, guys, so as you can look on the inside, you will see that there are ton loads of space for you to store away your items. This section here is for your stove, and you have your drawers for your utensils. We have more cabinet space. So these cabinet space will provide you with enough space to store your seasoning, your plates, your pots, etc. Whatever it is that you want to store. And you have enough countertop space for when you're preparing your meals. You can prep on one side if you wish. You have a little area for your dish drainer right beside your sink. You have more space over this side, so you can play with your counter space to decide where you would want to lay out your stuff. So that door right there leads to the outside, which we will go through shortly. But let's just take a look at the rooms. So it's 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom smack in the middle. So let's just take a look at the bathroom, where you have your face basin, your medicine cabinet with your mirror. You can hang your rag or whatever it is you want to hang there. You have your plug, and you also have storage space in your bathroom under the sink. That's a lot of space. And you have your toilet right here. And with these units, you'll get a tub for your shower area. And as you can see, the windows are very big, so it's letting in a lot of natural light, and that's what we're basically using. There's no flash, there's no additional light, no bulbs in these units as yet, so we get a lot of natural lights in the daytime. I'm assuming that in the future, if you guys wish, you could remove the tub and build yourself a walk-in shower with your glass enclosure, but this is how the units come. And as you can see, the high ceilings give this space a little feel to let you feel bigger than what it actually looks like. So from the door, this is basically the size of the rooms. All right, so you will just lay out your stuff in here, your bed, your night table, your chest of drawer, and you have 2 big windows to let in some more lights. You have your closet, so you can put your rods, or if you want to put shelves, whatever it is that you want to do. Yes, guys, so that's totally up to you. And we'll just walk right into the other room, which is very identical to that one, which you have your windows as well. Basically the same space, high ceilings. You have your closet right here. You lay it out how you want it to be. You have your storage on top of the closet, and the ceilings in this unit makes the space feels big. So we'll just take a walk through the back door. And guys, you have to be very careful, as I say, with the furniture that you bring inside these units, as that will really determine the amount of space that you have to work with. So on the outside, you have your wash tub right here at the door. You have 2 pipes on the outside, so you can add an additional sink. There's a lot of breeze outside here, but as you can see, your neighbors are close by. You have a space to the back of your unit going all the way to the peg. So I'll just walk to the peg so you can get a better idea of what's going on. So this is the size of your backyard. So you're between this peg and this peg right here. Alright guys, and then you have the side where this is split between you and your neighbor. So this is a space that you have to the sides, and you can see the big windows from the outside of this building. It's very windy. I hope you guys can hear me. But even as I'm here now, work is still going on the property for this to be completed in time for you to move into your unit. So if you have already made your down payment, if you have already gone through your process, no need to worry, as these units are basically ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Please remember to share with a friend. Even a plug is on the outside of the unit, just in case you're doing something that requires electricity. So yes guys, we'll just go right ahead and give you an overhead view of this property and show you what the community and the scheme is looking like. So thank you guys so much, as mentioned earlier, for joining us today at Twickenham Glades. So until next time guys, we'll see you in the next video, and please to enjoy this overhead shot of Twickenham Glades. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's another property tour done by ChriSamz. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more updates like this, please to leave us a comment down below. Also remember to like this video Remember to share with your family, share with your friends. If you know anyone that's looking for a property to buy in Jamaica, you can share these videos with them so they can have an idea what's going on in the market, as well as we'll try to tell you guys what is also available. So thanks so much for joining us on this another tour at Twickenham Glades, and we hope you guys have been enjoying our video so far. Okay guys, so we'll just see you in the next one, and we will continue to grant your requests as best as we possibly can. So until next time guys, that's it from us at ChriSamz with another property tour, and we'll see you guys in another video. Take care.